Today I'm going to share a yummy spinach pasta recipe that is beautifully creamy without using any cream. Let's make this together. Bring a pot of water to a boil. This is about 10 cups of water, to which I added 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, gave that a stir. You can choose any type of pasta for this recipe. I'm using penne pasta and this is 500 grams in total. Give the pasta a stir after you add it in because they tend to stick at the bottom. This pasta takes 11 minutes to get to the perfect al dente consistency. Once you drain off the water, add in some olive oil and give the pastas a stir so they don't stick to each other. Next, set a pot on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. Give the onions a stir until they turn slightly translucent. This should approximately take a minute. And next, add in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. We want to quickly stir in the garlic for about 30 seconds. We don't want to brown or burn the garlic. Next goes in spinach leaves. These are 200 grams of baby spinach leaves. Add some salt to taste and we're going to quickly stir this until the leaves wilt. If you're using larger spinach leaves, you can chop them up and then add them in. Once the leaves have wilted, we are going to take them out and set them aside. Next, we'll make some yummy bechamel sauce. So to the same pot, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We are going to stir the roux for approximately 2 minutes. Stir it continuously so it doesn't burn. It's going to bubble up and get thinner in consistency. Keep stirring it till you feel that the rawness and the flavor has vanished, but don't stir it till it turns too dark. If not, you're going to get like a burnt taste. Next, add in 2 cups of milk and use whole milk if you want the recipe nice and creamy. We are going to stir it in vigorously so there are no clumps of flour formed. For some added flavor, I'm adding in half a chicken stock cube and I'm also adding in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can also use veggie stock if you wish, but it really does enhance the taste of the sauce. Next, I'm adding in 2 slices of our very own Amul cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. One very important tip is to turn down the heat when you're making the sauce. We don't want the sauce to get super thick very quickly because we want the sauce to enter the penne pasta, the holes of the pasta, not only coat them. Next, I added a little salt to taste. Keep in mind the veggie stock cube has salt, cheese has salt, and also our spinach has salt, so add as required and add in the spinach leaves. At this point, you can turn up the heat and cook the sauce to the consistency that you like. I would say when a thick layer coats your spatula, we are ready to turn off the heat and add in the boiled pasta. We are going to gently toss the pasta in the sauce. It is going to enter all the holes of the penne pasta. That's why I like this type of pasta in this recipe. And it does taste gorgeous, guys. You can add a little bit of lemon juice if you like. I like to garnish it with some red chili flakes and we're done. Enjoy!